it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook oatmeal with chia seeds. And these are the ingredients you need. Chia seed, oats, water, milk, and egg. Okay, I'm using half cup of oats. Just put it in the pot. Half cup milk. Half cup water. 1 tablespoon chia seed, 1 egg, and now turning on the stove on high, and don't touch it, don't stir it, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. So just let it cook until it boils, and then you okay, my oatmeal is boiling, so now nothing sticks to the bottom, so just stir it. If you find it thick, the egg is totally cooked, so turn off the stove. See, this is the thickness that I like. If it's too thick, you can add some milk or water. It's your choice, okay? And also you can add some salt if you want to a little saltier. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.